wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best billiard cue cases. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Eastpoint Sports Soft is more lightweight and affordable than hard models. You may sacrifice some protection as a result, so take that into account if you're rough on your equipment. It folds up when not in use, and the pocket closes securely with Velcro. However, the padding is quite thin. At number 9, if you prefer to select a different cue depending on the situation, the Billiard Depot 386S is a good choice, as it has the capacity to hold 3 butts and 6 shafts. It includes a pocket for chalk and padding on the bottom, but the handle is not very comfortable. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the camouflage print of the Viper realtree helps it stand out from the crowd, reducing the chances of yours getting mixed up with any others. Its cushioned liner protects your cue from scratches, though it lacks a divider to keep the shaft and butt separated. It does come in at a relatively low price and weighs less than an ounce. However, it holds only one complete cue. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for billiard cue cases, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the iszy Billiards 2x2 has plastic divider tubes extending the length of the bag, ensuring your cues are fully separated and protected. The faux leather exterior adds an element of style, and the carrying handle is comfortable to grip. It's got plenty of space for accessories and an adjustable shoulder strap, but the stitching is not the highest quality. Moving up our list to number 6, the Lucasi Brown is perfect for serious players looking for a basic, compact case for a pair of cues. It is at the higher end of the price spectrum, but the attractive exterior and high-quality construction is worth the cost. It's foldable and easy to store, and includes 5 pockets for accessories. It's made with vegan-friendly faux leather. Halfway up our list at number 5, the sleek contemporary design of the Casemaster Cue Vault makes it suitable for someone who wants to make an impression on competitors. It's lightweight to help prevent fatigue. It features a very comfortable shoulder strap, a hard, scratch-resistant exterior, and a removable storage pouch. At number 4, a nice pick for couples who enjoy the game. The Action Vinyl can accommodate 2 butts and 2 shafts, and the vibrant colors ensure it won't get mixed up with any other cases. It can hold shafts up to 30 inches long and is equipped with a soft felt lining and 2 substantial pockets. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Pro Series Premium sports a handsome leather exterior and a variety of pockets for holding paperwork, chalk, and even snacks. The carrying strap is padded for comfort. It holds 4 butts and 8 shafts and is resistant to moisture. It's well balanced for easy carrying. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for billiard cue cases, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the cuesoul canister comes with a small, easy-to-access pocket for holding chalk and other accessories. It's made with durable artificial leather in a slim design for convenient storage. Cues don't rattle inside. And taking the top spot on our list, the Elite Nexus Original features plastic feet on the bottom to protect it when it's standing against a wall. It comes with a resilient rubber casing, and shafts slide out smoothly. There are 3 colors to select from. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for billiard cue cases, or simply click beneath this video.